In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to add your audio where you want to add the captions. So if I go down here to edit timeline, you can see I have some sample audio already, but if you don't and you want to record it, you can always go to add content and then media. You want to switch over to music and then click on record voiceover, and then here you can select your mic, and if you want to enhance speech or not, click on start recording and you'll be able to start your recording, and it's going to basically put your voiceover in here inside your timeline. Now if the timeline wasn't visible earlier, you're going to be able to basically see it then by just clicking on this button over here when you have some audio. Then you can of course position it where you want it to be, and if you want the captions, you want to select the audio. You want to click on this button, which is called Open Captions. You want to select your language spoken in media and then the media source as well. I'm just going to select audio here, and you want to click on Generate. Now it's going to start generating your captions for you automatically over here. And as you can see, what's good about this is that these captions are going to be generating in the background. So I can always just go ahead and do some edits with my design over here. I can keep on doing what I was doing, and it's going to process and generate these captions for me in the back. Now, usually it's quite quick depending on the length of your audio. If my audio was, for example, like 10 or maybe even 20 minutes, this would take a long time to actually process, of course. But in my case, as you can see, it was quite quick because, of course, it was just like a short sample of audio, which was like just a few seconds, maybe like even 4 seconds or something similar. Now, over here, of course, I didn't extend it, but you get the point. As you can see here, the captions have now been added. So if I just go and play this, the captions are going to play. Look at this sample audio I'm going to use for this tutorial. There we go. As you can see, the captions are actually on here, okay? So if you want to edit them, you can just click on the captions over here, and you can, of course, select the format, the transcript. You can, of course, correct it if you want to, and then you can change the media source, remove them, regenerate them, etc. So that's how to add captions. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.